Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. A field has a width of 140 meters. It has a length of 205 meters. On a scale drawing, the field has a width of 5.6 centimeters. Work out in centimeters the length of the field on the scale drawing. Now, first and foremost, what we need to do is let's picture that we have the field over here. So the width is 140 meters, the length is 205. We need to work out the scale factor over here. So over here, you've got in real life, you've got 140 meters. Let's write that down. That'll be 140 meters, and we need to divide that by 5.6 centimeters. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to see if I can simplify times the top and bottom by 10. So this will give me something like 1,400 over 56. Now, by all means, you are more than welcome to use a calculator at this point. Just plug it into your calculator, you should get your answer. Now, what we could do, if you didn't want to use a calculator, you could divide this by 4, you could divide this by 14, divide this also by 14, and you would end up getting 100 over here, all over 4. And 100 divided by 4 should give you 25. So therefore 25 times 5.6 will give us 140 meters. Now, what we're going to be doing, asking to work out the length. So to work out the length on the scale drawing, it's going to work out to be 205. Let's write it down. It's going to work out to be 205. And divided all of this. Let's divide all of this by 25. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide all of that by 25. And how many 25s go into 2? Well, that's going to be 0. So let's write that down. I'm going to probably need an extra decimal point over here. So let's work this out. So how many 25s? 2 divided by 25 is going to go 0. So carry the 2. 20 divided by 25, again it doesn't go, so it's going to be 0. I'm now going to carry the 205. 205 into 25, well, it goes 8 times with a remainder of 5. 50 divided by 25, it gives you 2, and this is your final answer. So in terms of this, on the scale drawing, the size of the length should be 8.2 centimeters. Let's write that down over there, which is 8.2 centimeters. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.